Now it's easier to make pakora mix at home for whole Ramzan. It's made up of healthy ingredients. Just take 2 glass of gram flour, sift it, and then you have to add some ingredients. They are beneficial for health, like 1 teaspoon pink salt, half teaspoon black salt, and 3 teaspoon uh, cumin seeds powder and coriander powder 3 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and carom seeds 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon. Now I'm just going to add these ingredients in gram flour properly. This pakora mix is free from artificial color and preservatives. Just make it according to your requirement. You can double the quantity of the ingredients. Now I'm going to mix it with 2 tablespoons. The help of the spoon I am going to mix it, and then I will fill it in a jar, airtight jar, so you can protect it from all the moist, and whenever you need you can use some quantity and you can make your pakoras. In the next step I am going to tell you how to make the right paste of this mixture. So that is very important thing. Whenever we make pakoras we have to make the paste, the thicker paste. Okay, so now I have added some vegetable in it. You can add any vegetable according to your choice. Now just make the paste with water and see this thickness. Uh, Whenever we make this thicker paste, it doesn't absorb any much oil while frying. Now the third step is to fry. Now I'm going to fry these pakoras in oil. If you have oven at home, it's the best idea to make it more healthy. So now see these pakoras. These pakoras are ready to serve. Always you use absorbent paper or tissues. This paper absorb extra oil. And now see the crispiness and the softness of pakora. Follow these steps, you will spend this Ramzan with a healthy stomach. I suggest you it would be better if you eat sometimes fried stuff, not daily. You know, when because fried foods give us only taste. On the other hand, they spoil our stomach, so take care of your stomach and well being. I have mentioned some beneficial tips and ingredients in this video. The ingredients are very useful for digestive system, but make sure that eat only 2 or 3 pakoras because excess of everything is harmful to you. Increase the intake of fruits and yogurt. Remember those who are needy, help them as much as possible in this Ramzan. Share this video with others so that everyone makes the most of this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.